Well, Dave, this is a really interesting 442. It's a 68, right?
1968.
I don't think I've ever seen one configured quite like this. It's wild. It's a wild color scheme. That's the main thing about it. What is it?
The actual factory color is code T, which is ivory.
But I swear there's a hint of green in that.
It is on the color chip too.
I knew it.
You're right.
And then it's got actually a dark green vinyl top,
Yeah,
right?
a dark forest green vinyl top.
They couldn't have sold too many of this combo because I have never seen it before. Have you ever run into one like this?
No. Actually, this car was ordered brand new by a female school teacher.
Really?
Yes.
And so this is the original color scheme and everything?
Exactly.
But she's all been restored, I'm sure.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, yeah. Cha-ching. And how long did that process take?
Start to finish took me 4.5 months.
Wow. Now, either you're really fast or it didn't need that much.
It's a full body off, ground up restoration.
Then you're really fast.
I've been doing this for 44 years.
Not your first rodeo.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, she's beautiful. I mean, you do great work too. The other thing that I mean, it's just wild all the way around. This interior is such an interesting color also. What do you call this?
The color code of it is code G, and it's called Willow Gold.
Which again has got a touch of green in it.
Yeah, very green.
Actually, it's more than a touch, isn't it? But you know, she's just, and I love the dash. You know, everything about this. Did you redo the dash? Can you get those in reproduction, or was the dash?
No, that's all original.
No kidding.
Yeah, even with the 8-track.
Did you redye it?
No.
So that is original.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, I refinished the lower part of it, but the crash pad itself is the original.
And factory 8-track.
Factory 8-track.
With Oldsmobile on the door.
Right on.
Man, you gotta love that. I just think this thing is so cool. It's great. Now, did you replace the vinyl top?
Yes.
Because that looks pretty fresh.
Yeah.
You know, the lines on these are great. One of the things I always thought was interesting, because it's a pretty big car, but man, those are very dainty taillights.
And for the year of the car, most 68 model GM cars had narrow taillights.
Oh, really?
And they blew them up in 69 and 70.
But sure, I mean, it looks dynamite. Now you've got these wild green wheels, though. That can't be. That can't have come that way.
No, actually, the factory wheels they're the same style of wheel, but they don't have all the chrome. They have a beauty ring, and they're painted a smoke gray.
Wow. So being a 442, this would have what engine?
From the factory, it had a 400 big block.
But you've done something with?
This car had a engine transplant in 1980, which was a 71 Toronado 455 rocket motor.
Let's go look at that baby.
Alrighty.
Oh man, that is like showroom.
Actually, the original color of the motor should have been a copper color for the 400 big block. But this is actually an earlier 71 455, which I had the option of the red or blue.
It really pops.
Yeah, I like the red.
Yeah, I do too. And man, that baby is packed in there too, isn't it?
Yeah, very tight fit.
So do you go through the engine and everything too, I would imagine?
Well, I pulled it down, and it was a fresh motor when I bought the car. And I pulled the heads off, no carbon buildup, so I didn't have to build the motor.
Oh, you are lucky.
Hell yeah. Yeah.
That's why it was only 4 months, right?
Right. Yeah.
Well, I tell you, it is a gorgeous car throughout.
Oh, thank you, Dennis.
Does it get a fair amount of attention?
Yes, an extreme amount of attention.
And you know, is it just because it's a 442, or is it because it's this wild color scheme?
I think both. I think both, because there isn't a lot of these out there restored.
No.
For the year.
And is it a blast to drive?
Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of fun in this. A lot of muscle.
A lot of strength there,
yeah.
Oh, yeah. And have you had a good time at this show?
Excellent time.
It's a nice show, isn't it?
Yes.
I really like it. And I really love your car, man. 68 442 in a Ivory. Yeah, sure. Looks green to me, man.
Little green.
Little green.
Little
Cool.
green.